Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And yes, wow, I think I'm on a song reaction spree today. And right now also I'll be reacting to a song which was requested, whose request I saw in the comments below. This is Rise of Shyam and this is from an upcoming Nani starrer film, Shyam Singh Roy. So he's going to be starring in this film. This has Sai Pallavi also is what I'm seeing from the description. And I'm going to be reacting to the Telugu version of this song, which I'm of course guessing is the original one only, but the song is actually released in various languages. So let's react to this right away. This is like a 4-minute song, and yeah, so I'm guessing that Nani is playing the titular role, Shyam Singh Roy. That's the name of the movie, so he's playing Shyam Singh Roy. So let's listen to this song. This does not have the subtitles, auto-generated, so just gonna enjoy the song.
అమ్మా నాన్నలకు అత్యుత్తమ బహుమానం కారవా మినీ తెలుగు.
పుట్టిందా ఓ అక్షరమే కాగితపు
That was Howrah Bridge, no?
కడుపు చీల్చే అన్యాయం తలే తెంచే అరె కరవాలంలా పదునాకల మేరా శ్యామ్ సింగ్ రాయ్ అరె ఎగసి పడు వల చడివాడే శ్యామ్ సింగ్ రాయ్ అరె తిరగబడిన
Wait. I'm gonna start that again. Shyam Singh Roy, is he playing like a Bengali character? Because Rabindranath Tagore and oh wow, like I got a little pleasantly shocked because I am myself a Bengali. That's why I paused and I'm like, okay, let me watch it again.
నాన్నలకు
Once
అత్యుత్తమ
again.
బహుమానం
Okay.
కారవా మినీ
Alright.
తెలుగు.
Fountain pen.
పుట్టిందా ఓ అక్షరమే కాగితపు కడుపు చీల్చే అన్యాయం తలే తెంచే అరె కరవాలంలా పదునాకల మేరా శ్యామ్ సింగ్ రాయ్ అరె ఎగసి పడు వల చడివాడే శ్యామ్ సింగ్ రాయ్ అరె తిరగబడిన సంగ్రామం వాడే శ్యామ్ సింగ్ రాయ్ అరె వెనకబడని చైతన్యం వాడే శ్యామ్ సింగ్ రాయ్ సింగ్ రాయ్ సింగ్ రాయ్ సింగ్ రాయ్ సింగ్ రాయ్ పటాసుల్నే లిఖిస్తాడు నిజం కోసం శ్రమిస్తాడు జనం కోసం తపిస్తాడు అరే అజ్ఞానానికి పాతర వేస్తాడు పడుతూ ఉన్న ప్రతి పుట పైన తన నెత్తురు సిరలా పారేరా మెరలే వచ్చే రాజులతోనే కవి ప్రశ్నల యుద్ధం రా సింధూరం రంగున్న జెండారా శ్యామ్ సింగ్ రాయ్ అరే ఎగసి పడు వల చడివాడే శ్యామ్ సింగ్ రాయ్ అరే తిరగబడిన సంగ్రామం వాడే శ్యామ్ సింగ్ రాయ్ అరే వెనకబడని చైతన్యం వాడే శ్యామ్ సింగ్ రాయ్ సింగ్ రాయ్ సింగ్ రాయ్ సింగ్ రాయ్ సింగ్ రాయ్ అరే ఎగసి పడు వల చడివాడే శ్యామ్ సింగ్ రాయ్ అరే తిరగబడిన సంగ్రామం వాడే శ్యామ్ సింగ్ రాయ్ అరే వెనకబడని చైతన్యం వాడే శ్యామ్ సింగ్ రాయ్ సింగ్ రాయ్ సింగ్ రాయ్ సింగ్ రాయ్ సింగ్ రాయ్
I wish they had given the lyric meaning also. I hope they updated. I want to know what they're saying.
কলম যদি হয় হাতিয়ার নিকালে যদি বলে ইনকিলাব ছেড়ে খায় যখন হয় না গুলো সমাজের হয় শিথিলা খবরদার
I'm sorry. There's a Bengali rap in between. Okay, I'm getting all surprised. This is amazing. How? Okay. I'm really intrigued. Is the trailer out for this movie? I'll check on my own also. Wow, that suddenly that Bengali verse came in. Wait. So this I'll understand at least what the guy is saying.
কলম যদি হয় হাতিয়ার আর কালি যদি বলে ইনকিলাব ছেড়ে খায় যখন হয় না গুলো সমাজের হয় শিথিলাভ খবরদার চোখ রাঙানি অপবাদ দেয় বারবার নামের মধ্যে সিংহ শ্যামের প্রশ্নই নেই হারবার মুখের ভাত কারবার যদি রুটি রুজি তারা ভয় পায় শ্যামের কলমে প্রেম প্রতিশোধ স্ফুলিঙ্গ যেন কয়লায় তার রক্তের রং নীল তার স্লোগানে জাগে মিছিল তার প্রশ্ন বলে শিথিল হয়ে ওঠে মন্দিরের সব খিল দেবদাসীদের স্বাধীনতা আনে তার কণ্ঠের বক্তৃতা শ্যাম সিংহ পথে নামলে বেরোতে শেখায় গণ্ডিটা আর কেউ বন্দি না মন্ত্রীরাজ কিস্তিমাত মুষ্টিবদ্ধ হাত দিয়ে আর উল্লাস ধরে ইনকিলাব
గర్జించే పుత్రేరా తెల్లోడైన నల్లోడైన తేడా లేదురా స్వాతంత్రం నీ స్వప్నౌరా ఏ క్రోధాలు ఉద్వేగాలు నిన్నే చేయురా గుడిలో ఉన్న గడిలో ఉన్న స్త్రీ శక్తికి ఇంతటి కష్టాలా తనలే తెంపే ఆ కాళికకే చొరబట్టుకు సంకెళ్ళ నీ వల్లే ఈ స్వేచ్ఛే సాధ్యంరా శ్యామ్ సింగారాయ్ అరే ఎగసి ఎగసి పడు వలచని వాడే శ్యామ్ సింగారాయ్ అరే తిరగబడిన సంగ్రామం వాడే శ్యామ్ సింగారాయ్ అరే వెనకబడని చైతన్యం వాడే శ్యామ్ సింగారాయ్ 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 అరే ఎగసి ఎగసి పడు వలచని వాడే శ్యామ్ సింగారాయ్ అరే తిరగబడిన సంగ్రామం వాడే శ్యామ్ సింగారాయ్ అరే వెనకబడని చైతన్యం వాడే శ్యామ్ సింగారాయ్ 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 సింగారాయ్
I got the chills. I freaking got the chills. I hope this is on Spotify. I hope this song is available on Spotify. I'm just going to immediately add this song. I'm immediately adding this song. I loved it. The biggest shocker was that there is a Bengali rap in between. So that is the part I understood where so I'm guessing from the rap is that Nani's character is probably a journalist who turns into a politician. That's what the visuals are also suggesting me. Like he said when, like in the Bengali rap part, it says like, you know, when you're taking on, like when you're holding the pen, it is as good as like a weapon. And the color of the blood is blue. It's all of those, so many things, and about Inqilab, and so it's about protest. So I'm guessing Nani's character Shyam Singh Roy. Let's just talk about what I feel the movie is about. Nani's character Shyam Singh Roy, based out in Kolkata, and he seems like a writer or a journalist. It could be anything because he's saying him writing the truth and stuff like that. So he could be a writer, very prominent writer over there, or he could be a journalist, an independent journalist who is sort of bringing the truth in front of the public, in the eyes of the public. And then he gets very powerful, he gets the public support, and maybe then he becomes a politician. And basically it's about him bringing about a certain change in the system. That's what I feel. Second is that this movie is set in an era, probably looks like it's in the 60s, 70s era. That's what it looks like to me from the visuals, his makeup. Third, Nani looks incredible. I mean, I am like, the visuals, the stills are just mind-blowing. Mind-blowing. So I don't know how they're like, because I feel then the movie is based in Kolkata or Calcutta, because at that point of time it was called Calcutta. So I don't know how they have integrated it. I am intrigued. I am totally intrigued. Firstly, because it's Nani, he's awesome. And secondly, because me being a Bengali and this is like a Telugu film, I am really intrigued to see what the storyline is. Because, you know, he's, you know, the Howrah Bridge is showing, then you see this entire office kind of setup where Rabindranath Tagore's photo is there and all of that. Wow. And then Sai Pallavi's entire getup is like, she's a Bengali, she's playing a Bengali girl, like a Bengali character. I don't know, because her entire getup is like that. Then the song. So those are the things about the stills and what I feel the movie is about. The song is freaking amazing. Like I said, I hope it's available on Spotify. I am immediately adding this song to my playlist. Immediately. It just gives you this goosebump kind of feel, and you know, it's like an awakening. The song is like that. It's going to give you some sort of motivation to get up and do something. It's awesome. Thank you so much for recommending this to me. Thank you so much. I fell in love with the song instantly. Like I said, you know, I just couple of minutes back I shot another song reaction of Minnal Murli, and I was just saying so many great songs are coming up in the last few weeks. I'm just getting encountered with so many beautiful songs, and once again, what a great song. How beautiful the instrument is, especially when it's like Shyam Singh Roy, the beat of that, the rhythm, it's beautiful. And then there's this flow switch and you have this Bengali rap in between. Wow, fantastic, amazing. Thank you so much once again for this recommendation. I fell in love with the song. I absolutely fell in love with the song. I'll just check if there's a trailer or not, because I definitely want to look into the trailer. So yes, that was the reaction for The Rise of Shyam, from the movie Shyam Singh Roy. I'm totally like, I think one after another I listened to, like, I shot my reaction of songs, and I'm so overwhelmed, listening to amazing songs. Fantastic. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this reaction video. I really enjoyed this song. Do share in your thoughts about this song. I would love to read them in the comments below. And yes, I will be signing off from this video now, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye guys.